Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, a little bit different of a video for me, more lifestyle, more fitnessy. But I'm showing you guys equipment that you can get at home, that you can get and use at home for at-home workouts if, your gym isn't open again, or if you don't want to go back to the gym for obvious reasons. Two of these things I purchased during this whole, quarantine thing, and then one I've had for at least, well over a year, if not two, might be two at this point. So oh, there is a fly flying around here. So I feel like I'm slowly building a at home gym. So if you guys want to see what some of those things are and see how they're used, then just keep watching. If you notice my missing nail, I actually broke 4 in the process of filming this video because the machines aren't where they are in the demos that you guys are going to see. I had to move them so that you guys could see them for this video. So and I did that all myself. So I broke 4 while trying to film this video. I only glued 3 back on. Shout out to press on nails, making life easy. You just pop them right back on. So there's one that's still missing. If you notice that, that's why it was a struggle to film this video, okay? But the first thing I have for you guys is from Sunny Health and Fitness, and it is their mini stepper with resistance bands. This I've only had for about 2 weeks, yeah, somewhere around there. And you'll see in the picture that I post on the screen that it comes with resistance bands that you can also attach and use for an arm workout. But I have them, but I didn't attach it to the machine because I just use it as the stepper part, because I use it as a warm up to my ab day workout. If you guys haven't been here for a minute, I started taking working out more seriously last year. I bought this program and I've completed it at least, I don't even know how many times at this point. So now I'm at the point where I take what I want from it, the exercises that I think will help me the most, stuff like that. And once you start working out, continuously, you'll get to a point where you're just like, this does more for me than that does. So I'm going to do more of this, less of that. So when I do my ab day workouts, I use the stepper first as a little pre-workout type of thing, and then I do the ab day workouts. So this retails for $54.92. It's small, it's not gonna take up much space, and it's very easy to use. So this has been a great addition to my little gym. So the next thing I have is also from Sunny Health and Fitness. It's their Squat Assist Row and Ride Trainer for squat exercise and glutes workout. I've actually told you guys I purchased this already, but now I'm showing you, me using it. And I bought this for, leg butt day. Anytime you go search, what can I do for my butt or my legs or glutes, stuff like that, squats are always going to be mentioned. I'm looking at it and it retails for $154 now. When I bought this, it was $77. And I noticed, when everything started going down with quarantine, they were talking about price gouging. I noticed that, it shot up to the hundreds after I purchased it, and I was like, thank you, oh God, for $77, snag that on up. But when I had the idea to do this video, I looked up all of these things, and it was $124, $134, something around that. So it's actually gone down in price since I looked it up. So if you did decide that you wanted it, it is down in price right now for $100. But I'm letting you know that I did buy it for $77. So if you hold out a little bit, maybe it might go back down. Maybe it might go back up. I'm just letting y'all know. Takes up a little bit more space. And you'll also see in this picture and the demo, it has resistance bands as well. So they have 3. You can, just leave 1 attached, leave 2 attached, or leave all 3 attached, or leave none of them attached at all. It just depends on, what level you're trying to use the machine on. In the demo, I think I have it on 1. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, 3 is doable, but it hurts after a while. But very easy machine to use. I feel like it sits really, you sit really low on the machine. I'm not sure if that's due to how the machine was set up, but you'll also see in the demo, it's you're all the way down here, and I'm 5'4", so it's a long stretch for me. But other than that, I like the machine. It works. Okay, you be hurting the next day. So that is my updates on this one. And then the last machine I physically have is from XTERRA. XTERRA Fitness. It is their FB 150 folding exercise bike. This retails for $142.12. It's just, you know, like a cycle bike. This on cardio days, or, you know, again, like quick little warm-ups before the other days that I mentioned. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory with this one. I haven't had any issues. I remember when I was purchasing it, you know, people who like cycle, like, me, again, I'm just using this as like a warm-up type of thing, said that like if you go hard, like the bike wears down quicker. So I'm throwing that out there. Again, I think I've had this for like 2 years now. I don't have any issues with it. It still feels like when I first purchased it. So I just figured I should let you guys know that. I do have one thing in my cart, so I don't have a demo because I don't own it yet, but I want to show you because, you know, it is affordable and you might want to add it to your at-home gym as well. It is from YNXing. It's their Thigh Master Thigh Trimmer, Thin Body Thigh Toner and Butt Leg Arm Toner Leg Exerciser Home Gym Equipment. Best for weight loss, thin thigh. You know those Amazon names that just throw like everything in the book out there? They like, listen, we don't need a name. We're just gonna let you know what it can do and what it helps, all right? But, you know, it's just a little tool. You attach it to the ground. It helps you with sit-ups, helps you with planks, helps you with, they listed everything that it can help you with. It's only $20.99. And the reviews look good, so I do want to get that and add that on again for those ab days, because I do 3 ab workouts on one day when I do ab day workouts, plus the stepper machine. So yeah. Now you see me wearing a belt in the demo videos. That is this. I'm pretty sure I also showed you guys this in my Amazon haul video. It is the Sweet Sweat waist belt. You know how there's like waist trainers and sweat belts? That's what this does. It came with this, let me not drop this, Sweet Sweat workout enhancer. I obviously haven't used it yet, but listen, like I don't need this to enhance the sweat, because mind you, like this is me just using it in the demos to show you guys how the machines work. It's not like I did full-on workouts wearing the belt, and I took a video like what it looks like when I remove the belt, and you'll see like I'm still sweating in that area. So I don't need the enhancer. It does its job of what it's supposed to do. And the last thing I didn't get from Amazon, but I figured I should throw in this video because I'll probably get questions on it. It's the set that I'm wearing. I got this from Women's Best on sale. I think the top was $23.24 and the bottoms were $30.31. Without the sale, it probably would have been around $65. So you're not getting that much off, but I believe in getting whatever I can get off when I'm shopping. I'm 117 pounds. I got this in a small, tried it on and figured, you know, maybe I should have gotten a medium because it's tight. It is tight. And I know some people like that when they're working out. They like for their stuff to really, you know, cinch them in. It was a little too cinched for me, okay? I was too snatched into this set. Also, it's, how do you describe that? Like the crotch area, you can't pull it up anymore because of how tight it is. So you just have like crotch material you have material hanging down in your crotch area that's supposed to go up, but it won't. I feel like you can see it in the demo videos that I'll post in here, but it's uncomfortable because you're working out and you just have like extra material hanging around your crotch area. Also, their long sleeve set, they do have biker shorts, but they didn't have it. I think it was sold out in this color. You guys know green is my favorite color, so I just went ahead with this one, but that might also contribute to why I was sweating so much and just demoing some stuff out. But other than that, great material. Like you can tell this is quality material given the price it should be. You know, it's not gonna fall apart after like 2 wears and a wash and stuff like that. So I don't have any complaints other than, you know, like maybe my sizing was off when I picked this. I'll definitely, you know, buy other things and play around with the sizing, but quality is there. So that is it for this video. Those are all the things that I have to show you guys, how you use them. And yeah, let me know if you consider or if you end up getting any of the things I showed in this video. Let me know how you like it. If you already have it, let me know how you like it. If you have other things at your at-home gym, leave them in the comments down below, because like really, who is going to a gym anytime soon? like an actual gym. Who's doing that? Not I. Y'all be blessed out there, okay? So yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.